or public place. Why you should stop feeding pigeons. Disease risks?
Yes. Pigeon droppings are a known vehicle for spreading bacteria, fungi, and insect pests that can be hazardous to human health. Population boom. True. When there is an endless supply of artificial food, pigeons breed more frequently. This leads to overcrowding, causing more mess in public areas. Disrupted ecosystem. Feeding them causes pigeons to lose their natural foraging instincts and can lead them to outcompete native bird species. When pigeons are regularly fed by people, their population grows rapidly. Large flocks can crowd public spaces, damage buildings, and leave
droppings that spread germs and create sanitation issues. Pigeon droppings can carry bacteria and fungi that may cause illness, especially in children, older adults, and people with weakened immune systems. Leftover food also attracts rats, insects, and other pests. For you're referring to bacteria associated with pigeons and their droppings. Some important ones are, first, Chlamydia psittacosis, which causes Psittacosis, a respiratory infection that can spread from birds to humans. Second, Salmonella species can cause food poisoning and gastrointestinal illness. Third, Campylobacter species can lead to diarrhea, fever, and abdominal pain. Most common is Escherichia coli. Some E. coli strains can cause gastrointestinal infections. Pigeon droppings may also contain fungi, such as Histoplasma capsulatum and Cryptococcus neoformans, which can cause lung infections, especially in people with weakened immune systems. Feeding pigeons can make them dependent on humans instead of searching for their natural food. This disrupts the balance of the local environment and can lead to unhealthy bird populations. The best way to enjoy wildlife is to observe it without feeding it. Help keep parks, streets, and public spaces clean and healthy for everyone. Remember, caring for birds doesn't mean feeding them. Sometimes the kindest action is simply to let nature take its course.